In fact, day before Mamata Banerjee's visit to meet families of Cooch Behar firing victims, the Election Commission has now banned any political leader in Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours, citing law and order situation. The poll panel has also raised campaigning silence from 48 to 72 hours at least in Cooch Behar. Remember, Mamata is scheduled to visit Cooch Behar on Sunday to visit homes of those killed in the firing by the CISF personnel outside polling booth in Seetal Cooch. In fact, the ban means that Chief Minister will be barred from entering the district for the next 3 days. TMC has called this poll panel decision as unfair. Mr. Ali, here's a ruling, a mandate now. No political leader from any party will be allowed in Cooch Behar for the next 72 hours. What, in your opinion, does this mean to the TMC here?
Yeah, this is very unfortunate and uncalled for. And this Honorable Commission is actually working on the structure of BJP. This is very unfortunate.
But here, what the CISF says is that the locals tried to attack the armed forces. They tried to gherav them, at least 150 people, and they were all instigated by Mamata Banerjee.
What I have heard, Trinamool workers were murdered by the central force.
Okay.
This is very, very condemnable.
Violence marred phase 4 of polling in Bengal today, leading to 5 deaths in Cooch Behar. The violence erupted after a first-time voter was dragged outside a polling booth and shot dead. In the clashes here that erupted between the TMC and the BJP workers, later 4 others were killed. Political blame game has now erupted over the violence here, with Mamata holding Amit Shah responsible for this. Prime Minister Modi countered this charge, saying that Mamata was desperate as she could sense loss in West Bengal.
Bullets, bombs and exact moments of the Bengal bloodbath. Caught on camera with chilling sound of crude bombs and firing. The 4th phase of polls in Bengal marred by bloodshed in Cooch Behar. The violence erupted after a first-time voter, Anant Burman, was dragged outside a polling booth and shot dead in Seetal Kuchi area. The BJP claimed that the slain was their polling agent and that he was killed by the TMC workers. A charge denied by the TMC and instead blamed the BJP for the killing. The incident triggered a clash between the BJP and TMC workers. Crude bombs were hurled at a local police station.
बीजेपी का बम मार दिया।
बीजेपी के लोगों ने बम मारा। आप लोग पर जैसे हमला किया, आप बोल रहे हैं बीजेपी, आप आरोप लगा रहे हैं बीजेपी वाला हमला किया, उसका पुलिस क्या किया? वहाँ पर बहुत सारा पुलिस होगा
और बिल्कुल हो जाएगा। वो तैयार नहीं हुआ।
कुछ नहीं किया। यहाँ तो आरोप लगा रहा कि पुलिस वो जो पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स है उसने गोली भी चलाया था, कुछ गोली भी चला था क्या? हाँ, गोली से।
The mob then targeted the central forces who reached the area to contain the violence. After facing attack, the CISF personnel opened fire in self-defense. At least 4 TMC supporters were killed. The violence prompted election panel to suspend voting at the spot. The poll panel later said that the CISF fired in self-defense, leading to a full-blown political war. While Mamata blamed Modi and Shah, the Prime Minister called it a fallout of Mamata's provocation.
হোম মিনিস্টারের কথায় যে চক্রান্ত চলছে, আজকে প্রমাণ হয়ে গেছে যে আজকে 4 জনকে গুলি করে মেরে দিয়েছে সিআরপিএফ, যারা লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে ছিল ভোটাররা। বিজেপি জানে বিজেপি হেরে গেছে এবং হেরে গেছে বলে এখন ভোটারদের গুলি করে মারছে, কর্মীদের গুলি করে মারছে, লজ্জাও করে না।
बीजेपी के पक्ष में जन समर्थन देखकर दीदी और उनके गुंडों में बौखलाहट हो रही है। आपकी कुर्सी जाते देख दीदी इस स्तर पर उतर आई है।
The clashes came days after Mamata Banerjee asked people to gheraw the central forces, who she said are intimidating voters.
সিআরপিএফ যদি গন্ডগোল করে আমি আপনাদের মেয়েদের বলে দিচ্ছি আপনারা ওদের ঘেরাও করে রাখবেন একদল আর একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন একদল ঘেরাও করবেন একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন
This was second easy notice to Mamata after the CM earlier asked Muslims to vote as one bloc.
ভাই সংখ্যালঘু ভাই বোন আপনাদের কাছে হাত জোড় করে একটা কথা বলবো ওই শয়তান ছেলেটা যেটা বেরিয়েছে বিজেপির টাকা নিয়ে ওইটার কথা শুনে সংখ্যালঘু ভোট ভাগ করেন না
Mamata, while rushing to Cooch Behar, defended her Gherao forces call in her reply to the Election Commission, saying it is a democratic mean to protest. Both TMC and BJP logged horns at the poll panel as well.
When you can't beat us fair and square, you shoot and kill. Mr. Modi, Mr. Shah, you are killers.
अभी 2 दिन पहले ही ममता बनर्जी ने कूच बिहार में एक भाषण में ये कहा कि उनके कार्डर्स को उनके समर्थकों को सेंट्रल पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस को घेर लेना चाहिए और फिर वोटिंग कराने का प्रयास करना चाहिए। ममता बनर्जी की पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं ने हमला किया। जब सीआईएसएफ ने अपने बचाव में कार्रवाई करी तो कुछ लोग उसमें हलाक हो गए।
Mamata Banerjee has now rushed to North Bengal and she will be meeting the family members of the deceased to milk this issue to its very end. Will it benefit her in the remaining phases? That's the big question. With camera person Probir Biswas, Indrajit for India Today in Hooghly.
At least 2 BJP candidates came under attack during 4th phase of polling in Bengal. BJP MP and party's Chunchura candidate Lockit Chatterjee was gherawed and her car was attacked while she visited polling booths in her constituency. And another candidate, Payal Sarkar's car, was vandalized in Malikpur. Let's take a look.
Gherawed, threatened, attacked. Violence marked 4th phase of polling in Bengal, with BJP MP and party's candidate from Chunchura, Lockit Chatterjee, targeted while inspecting polling booths in her constituency. Lockit, who was in an SUV, was surrounded by TMC workers. During the ruckus, window panes of the sitting BJP MP's car were shattered. Security forces struggled to contain the ruckus.
यहाँ से निकाला जाए, लेकिन आप देख सकते हैं लॉकेट चैटर्जी का जो गाड़ी है, जो काफिला है, उसको यहाँ पे बिल्कुल रोक दिया गया है। वो निकल नहीं सकता। अपना कि तृणमूल के समर्थक जो है, जो तृणमूल के समर्थक है, वो इस वक्त प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
The BJP leader claimed that officials on COVID duty were trying to influence the voting to help TMC.
আমি এখানে এসেছি দেখি একজন মহিলা ভেতরে দাঁড়িয়ে একটা কোভিড ম্যানেজমেন্টের একটা কার্ড পরে বলছে টিএমসি কে ভোট দাও। আমি তৎক্ষণাৎ যাই, বলেছি আপনি ওখানে কেন গেছেন, আপনার ভোট হয়েছে? বলে আমি এখানকার নই। আশেপাশ থেকে এসে আমার গাড়ির কাঁচ ভাঙে।
लोकेट दी पर जानलेवा हमला हुआ है। दीदी देखी नहीं है जो हमला उन पे, हम पीछे से देखे हैं। इतना बड़ा ईंट फेंका है दी पे, इतना बड़ा, यदि वो लग जाता।
कौन से पार्टी के समर्थक?
सब टीएमसी का है, सब टीएमसी का कार्यकर्ता है, बूथ में ढुक के अंदर बैठा हुआ है।
The TMC on its part released a video to claim that the window pane of the BJP MP's car was smashed from inside, insinuating a stunt by Lockit herself. The claim was rejected by Lockit Chatterjee.
अब मेरा शीशा अगर तोड़ेगा तो मेरे पास क्यों शीशा आएगा, बाहर में जाएगा। मैंने तोड़ के ऐसा किया, ये क्या पानी है? वो वीडियो आपने पूरा नहीं देखा। वो वीडियो में जब पत्थर फेंका था, वो वीडियो थोड़ा सा कट के दिया है।
Hours later, another BJP candidate, this time from Behala East, actor Payal Sarkar's vehicle was vandalized in Malikpur. Sarkar had gone to visit the families of BJP supporters who were allegedly beaten up in the locality on Friday night.
Now, despite heavy deployment of security personnel on the ground in these assembly elections, the phases of elections being marred with this kind of violence is definitely a worrying sign for the poll process. With camera person Sajid Alam, Poulomi Saha in Kolkata for India Today.
Now, ripples in Bengal politics after BJP released an alleged audio clip of TMC's chief poll strategist. In the alleged audio, Prashant Kishore can be heard admitting that the BJP is winning Bengal and there is anti-incumbency factor in the state against Mamta. Here's the full story.
Explosive audio leak of TMC's poll strategist. Prashant Kishore virtually conceding defeat.
तो सरकार किसकी बन रही है उसमें प्रीडोमिनेंटली बीजेपी ही आता है हम लोग के भी सर्वे में.
Released by BJP, the audio of TMC's Chanakya, Prashant Kishore has created political ripples in Bengal. In the leaked audio, Prashant is heard saying that as per TMC's internal survey, BJP is forming government in Bengal.
हम लोग एक सर्वे करते हैं कि आप वोट किसको दीजिएगा और सरकार किसकी बन रही है. तो सरकार किसकी बन रही है उसमें प्रीडोमिनेंटली बीजेपी ही आता है हम लोग के भी सर्वे में. हम लोग समझते हैं बाहर जो बंगाल में नहीं पहले आए थे तो भाई बीजेपी का नीचे ग्राउंड पे वर्कर नहीं है. ऐसी बात नहीं है. ग्राउंड पर बीजेपी के बहुत वर्कर हैं और वो सारे वर्कर लेफ्ट से इंपोर्टेड हो सकते हैं लेकिन वो डेडिकेटेडली आज बीजेपी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं.
Prashant also accepts that there is an anti-incumbency in Bengal against Mamta in the alleged audio clip.
प्लस जो एंटी इनकम्बेंसी है वो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ है, सेंटर के खिलाफ है नहीं. और मोदी है पॉपुलर, यहाँ काफी पॉपुलर है. अगर आप लीडर का हम लोग सर्वे कर रहे हैं तो मोदी और ममता इक्वली पॉपुलर.
Accepting the charge of appeasement, TMC's poll advisor claims that appeasement has resulted into resentment on the ground.
मेजर जो प्रॉब्लम है which we have to accept कि 20 years से there has been blatant effort and everything has been done to appease the minority. अब आप बंगाल को उठाकर देख लीजिए. पॉलिटिक्स का यहाँ एक लाइन का सिंपल फलसफा ये रहा है कि जिसको मुसलमान वोट करेगा वो सरकार बनाएगा.
To sum it up, Mamata Banerjee and her trusted political strategists have conceded this election in favor of the BJP. They know about the anti-incumbency and the polarization and the appeasement politics that is now costing the TMC this election.
After the storm, Prashant Kishore spoke to India Today and accused BJP of using distorted and selective part of the audio clip. He also challenged the Saffron Party to release full audio. Prashant reiterated that BJP will not cross 100 seats.
उनका पूरा ऑडियो टेप पार्शियली एडिट करके नहीं, पूरा ऑडियो टेप आपको दिया जाए, क्वेश्चन आंसर पूरा कुल मिला के दिया जाए. जैसे पहले वो एक बार बोले थे कि बीजेपी कभी पश्चिम बंगाल में 100 भी सीट नहीं मिलेगा.
The leaked audio comes as a boost for the BJP, which is all set to corner Trinamool Congress, cementing its claim that Mamta is on her way out. It will also help BJP to galvanize its cadre for the remaining phases of polls. The alleged audio comes as a major embarrassment for the Trinamool Congress. The audio could create uncertainty among cadres and also gives Trinamool Congress's anti-Kishore voices a weapon. Remember, several TMC rebels, including Suvendu Adhikari, had quit, citing Prashant Kishore's interference. The audio may have a cascading impact on next phases. Will the audio gate intensify an already riveting poll battle? With Indrajit Kundu and Poulomi Saha in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.
BJP releases another clubhouse chat audio of Mamta's poll strategist Prashant Kishore. In fact, the alleged voice of Prashant Kishore that was heard saying that if Mamta loses Bengal, governments in Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Jharkhand governments could also go the BJP way.
Let's put it this way, it is far more crucial for opposition than for BJP. BJP can afford to lose Bengal, but still because they will emerge as a very strong opposition even in their loss, and they can go on to win a Gujarat or UP and resurrect themselves and keep their dominance at the national level. If Didi were to lose Bengal, then I'm sure Maharashtra will go Jharkhand will see what happened in Bihar, and possibly Rajasthan will go as well. So it's far more crucial from that point of view. I don't think it is as crucial for BJP as it is for the opposition.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.